Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back with another video. And I'm sorry guys if I've been gone a very long time. It's because I went on a vacation for about 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't been posting. But now I'm back and I'm doing an unboxing of the T-Mobile revvl Plus. Now this is a T-Mobile exclusive phone. You can't get it anywhere else but T-Mobile. I mean, obviously, it's called T-Mobile revvl Plus. And I just got this phone recently today. So we're going to do an unboxing and impressions on it. Alright, let's get this going. Alright guys, so as you can see, it says T-Mobile revvl Plus. And we have nothing in the front, nothing on the sides. It just says T-Mobile revvl Plus down here. And on the back it just has some specs. So as you can see, it says 6-inch Full HD IPS display, fingerprint sensor, dual 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. 3,380 milliamp hour battery, which is pretty good. We have an 8 megapixel wide angle front camera and Android Nougat. Even though Android Nougat is kind of old at this point, we're already getting to Android P, so hopefully it'll get an update soon. So let's open this up. Voila. Let's put this to the side. And let me zoom in here. As you can see, we have the phone presented right here. Now, the people at T-Mobile kind of opened this up. I didn't. The T-Mobile people did to insert the SIM card and stuff. So yeah. So as you can see, we have the phone right here. Let's put this to the side to see what else comes inside the box. So we have our T-Mobile SIM, not a sponsored video, by the way. And then we have our quick start guide. We have our terms and conditions. We have our AC adapter, which is white, and we have our micro USB cable. It's not USB-C, sadly. So yeah, that's pretty much all you get in the box. Alright, so let's put this to the side. Like I said, we have a 6-inch Full HD display with which Full HD means 1080p. We have an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, speaker. We have the home button, back button, and the recent tabs button. On the back, we have 2 cameras, 13 and 5 megapixel, with an LED flash, fingerprint sensor, T-Mobile branding, single firing speaker, back firing speaker. On the right side, we have a power button, volume up and down rockers. On the other side, we have micro SD and SD card. Alright, so let's turn this baby on. So like I said, they did something at T-Mobile, so it's already on for me there. So it's kind of convenient. So what I've been noticing about this device, it doesn't get as bright as other phones, which is what I've noticed. So let me put in my password, guys. I'm back, and now let's talk about the phone. So I'm not quite sure what Snapdragon this has, but what I've heard that it has a pretty good Snapdragon. It's like with a Snapdragon 440, something like that. Not quite sure, so don't quote me on that. And as you can see, it's a pretty big display. 6 inches is pretty big. It's a wide phone, so people that like big screens, this is perfect for you. And as you can see, the only thing I don't like is that you have T-Mobile bloatware, T-Mobile Tuesdays, T-Mobile app, which kind of annoys me a little bit. I wish it had no bloatware, but you can remove that. You can remove this, but you can't remove the T-Mobile app. So yeah, that was just an impressions video. I'll probably be doing a full review on this guy for my next video. If not, then I have another phone video coming. It might be the LG K30 unboxing. That might be my next video or the review. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a review of this guy, and I'll definitely do it. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, it's free. If you guys have any suggestions, comment that down below as well. And if I missed anything in this video, don't forget to comment that down below as well. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a review of this phone for my next video, hopefully. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah guys, and before I leave, let me tell you how much this phone was. It was about $225, which is pretty cheap for what you get. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video, and peace.